Okay, so whenever you have to access the MongoDB, you will have an URI to access this page. You can have a MongoDB compass, and where in the MongoDB compass, here you have certain, new connection you can establish where you can open a new window, and here you will paste your URI. Just like Prajna have a URI like MongoDB Prajna, and this is the password, this is a URL, and this is the auth of a DB, which DB we need to connect. Right, and once it's done, it will be open in this page, and you will be seeing that HabitDB will be there presented, and inside the HabitDB you will have the certain collection that we have made throughout the project. And whenever you want to extract any data, you want to extract user data, you will search here user, you go to the user, and you will have here the export data. This option usually available in the MongoDB compass, where you can click on this. You will have a certain like option like export query result or export full collection. You click on the export full collection. There you will have two options. Either you can download on the JSON, or you can have a CSV file. You can click on the CSV and you can click export, and you can save habit user as an CSV, and here your DB is being stored. Here your collection is being stored, and you can see that once we open it, it will be open in Excel, and you will barely have every data of the user that is being present in the MongoDB. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.